It is January 15th. We are going to be candling these quail eggs, so I'm going to hit the lights. I want you guys to follow along. Let me show you the incubator. This is a CT60, and we're going to be candling some of these quail eggs. Obviously not all of them, but go ahead. I'm going to hit the lights, and then... All right, so we are in the dark together. Lots of fun, and I'm going to candle a couple of these quail eggs, and then we'll let you guys see what this looks like. So these are the 3D pieces that we printed that I'm going to candle this with. And here we go. So I think this one here has a baby chicken in it, or a baby chicken. It's a baby quail. I'm a dork. I've candled chicken eggs for so long, I just automatically say chicken. These are quail eggs that we are candling. It's kind of hard to see, but I think you can see the veins in there. You can definitely see where the yolk and the embryo in there are starting to change. And I don't know, you can't really see the veins in the camera. It's not a great setup, but definitely looks like something's going on. Let's see what else we got here. You can see the same thing. You've got that darker ring going around the bottom. You can see it in there too. Oh, you might be able to see some veins right in there. But this is candling quail eggs. They are super tiny. I just hatched a whole bunch of quail eggs that I got from eBay, which was a surprise. I had about 50 of them hatch. I've lost about 10 just because quail are so hard to get alive. I didn't realize how delicate they are those first 2 weeks. They're like little popcorn balls with legs running around in there. And so these are the Celadon blue eggs. Again, you can kind of see where that embryo is starting to change right there. You can't really see the veins. I really thought you'd be able to see them a lot better in these tiny eggs, but they aren't. So this is us candling our quail eggs. Okay, and there we go. Not seeing the veins like I was hoping. They have been in the incubator for about 4 days. So, but that is us candling our quail eggs. If you guys have any questions, definitely reach out. Find me on TikTok, subscribe here on YouTube. Go to our page, GardnerKeep.com, and make sure you support us there. I've got all kinds of links. I'm just starting the blog, but we'll have our quail eggs there eventually. We may even ship some birds. We'll see how everything works out. But I want you guys to go ahead and follow along, subscribe as we go on this quail hatching adventure that I started, because I might be a little crazy. All right, thank you guys. You have a great day.